Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're visiting a completed swimming pool project right here in Pampanga. And trust me, it's looking amazing. As you can see, this is a previous swimming pool project of Magesco. This stunning pool is now finished and ready to be enjoyed. From the groundbreaking to the final touches, this project has come a long way. And we're here to show you the results. It's clear that this pool has already become a hit with locals and visitors alike. People can't wait to spend their sunny days here. Whether you're looking for some serious swimming or just chilling by the water, this place has it all. We're so proud of how everything turned out. From design to construction, every detail was carefully thought out to make sure the pool is both functional and beautiful. It definitely shows. This place is a real gem in Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.